Most people get this math question wrong, even though it looks way easier than it actually is. And the problem is simple. 10 divided by 2 over 3 times 3. Just a short string of operations. No brackets, no exponents, just the numbers 10, 2, and 3. Sounds easy, right? But this is exactly where so many people mess up. So let's slow it down and break it properly, because the difference between getting this right and wrong is understanding one powerful idea. Now, some people look at this and immediately cancel out the threes. They say, okay, the 3 on top and the 3 at the end will cancel. So they're left with 10 divided by 2, which gives 5. And honestly, it looks clean. It feels correct, but that method is completely wrong because it breaks one of the most important rules in mathematics, the order of operations. And if you ignore that rule, you'll keep getting wrong answers, even in simple questions like this. So let's fix that once and for all. Now, the rule we use is called PEMDAS, and it simply tells us the order we must follow when solving any expression. Parentheses first, exponents next, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. But here's the part most people misunderstand. Multiplication and division are equals. They have the same priority. So you don't just multiply first because M comes before D. Instead, you move from left to right and solve whichever comes first. That is the key. Let me quickly show you why this matters. If you take 20 divided by 5 times 2 and you multiply 5, and 2 first you get 10, and then 20 divided by 10 is 2. But that is wrong. The correct way is to go from left to right. 20 divided by 5 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. Two completely different answers just because of order. That's how powerful this rule is. Now, before we continue, if you are starting to see math in a clearer way, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, because I break down questions like this every single day and help you think faster and smarter. Now, let's go back to our main problem. We have 10 divided by 2 over 3 times 3. Since division comes before multiplication from the left, we handle 10 divided by 2 over 3 first. And this is where many people get confused because of the fraction. But don't worry, I'll show you a simple trick called the KFC rule. Keep, flip, change. It makes dividing fractions very easy. So we keep the 10 as it is. We flip the 2 over 3 to become 3 over 2. And then we change the division sign into multiplication. Now the expression becomes 10 times 3 over 2. Now we multiply straight across. 10 times 3 is 30, so we have 30 over 2, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. Now we bring down the last part, which is times 3. So 15 times 3 gives us 45, and that is the correct answer.